guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vanessa G. Pedroso, taking up a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Math. In this video, I will be discuss about multiplying radicals. To multiply radicals, multiply the coefficient and then multiply the radicands and then simplify the remaining radicals. So here's an example. Multiply and then simplify. Square root of 5 times square root of 35 equals square root of 175 equals square root of 25 times 7 equals 5 square root of 7. Then I have another example. 2 square root of 8 times 3 square root of 7 equals 6 square root of 56 equals 6 square root of 4 times 14 is equal to 6 times 2 square root of 14 is equal to 12 square root of 14. Then I have another example. 2 square root of 5 times 4 square root of 20 is equal to 8 square root of 100. So 8 times 10 is equal to 80. So square root of 5 squared is equal to 5. Square root of 5 times square root of 5 is equal to 25. The square root of 25 is equal to 5. Then next is square root of 7 squared is equal to square root of 7 times square root of 7 is equal to square root of 49. Then the square root of 49 is equal to 7. Then square root of 8 squared is equal to square root of 8 times square root of 8 is equal to square root of 64. So what? So the square root of 64 is 8. So the answer is 8. Square root of x squared is equal to x. Square root of x times square root of x is equal to square root of x squared. So square root of x squared is x. Dividing radicals. To divide radicals, divide the coefficient, divide the radicands if the possible, and rationalize the denominator so that no radicals remains in the denominator. So square root of 56 over square root of 7 is equal to square root of 8 equal square root of 4 times 2 is equal to 2 square root of 2. That was easy. This cannot be divided. Which level? So I have this is another example. This example, this cannot be divided, which leaves the radicals in the denominator. We do not leave radicals in the denominator. So we need to rationalize by multiplying the fraction by something so we can eliminate the radicals in the denominator. So square root of 6 over square root of 7 is equal to square root of 6 over square root of 7 times square root of 7 over square root of 7 is equal to square root of 6 times square root of 7 is equal to square root of 42 times square root of 7 times square root of 7 is equal to square root of 49. So square root of 42 over square root of 49 is equal to square root of 42 is cannot be simplified, so we are copy the 42. Then the square root of 49 is 7. Then next is another example. This can be divided, which leaves the radicals in one denominator. We do not leave radicals in the denominator. So we need to rationalize by multiplying the fraction of something so we can eliminate the radicals in one denominator. Square root of 5 over square root of 10 is equal to the square root of 5 is 1. So then the square root of 10 is equal to 2. square root of 1 over square root of 2 times square root of 2 over square root of 2, and then the answer is square root of 2 over 2. Then next, another example, this cannot be divided, which leave the radicals is the denominator. We do not leave radicals in the denominator, so we need to rationalize by multiplying the fraction by something, so we cannot eliminate the radical in the denominator. So 3 over square root of 12 is equal 3 over square root of 12 times 3 times square root of 3 over square root of 3 is equal to 3 square root of 3 over 36 is equal to, so 3 over 3 square root of 3, then the square root of 36 is 6, so reduce the fraction, so equal, so the answer is square root of 3 over 2. Simplify. Square root of x squared is equal to x. So square root of y to the power of 6 is equal to y cubed. Then square root of p to the power of 4, then x to the power of 6 y cubed is equal to p cubed x cubed y. So square root of 4x to the power of 4 y cubed is equal to 2x cubed 2x squared y. Then next is square root of 25c to the power of 8d to the power of 10 is equal to 5c to the power of 4, then d to the power of 5. Next is simplifying. Square root of x squared is equal to square root of x squared times x. Then the answer is x square root of x. The next example is square root of y to the power of 5 is equal to square root of y to the power of 4 times y is equal to y cubed square root of y. And that's all. Thank you.